Welcome to Math Challenge 597. In Math Challenge 597, we have a circle and two chords intersecting. And the segments of the first chord 12 and 4, and the second chord, one segment is 6 and the other segment is not known. Two intersecting chords inside a circle, and we are required to find the radius of the circle. Math Challenge 597. And now, when two chords intersect, AB and CD are two chords intersecting at P, then the product of the segments are equal. When two chords intersect, the product of the segments are equal. So AP into BP equal to CP into DP. That is 6x BP 6 into APX. So 6x equal to CP into DP, that is 12 into 4. So we get 6x equal to 12 into 4 or x equal to 8. So the length of this AP is 8 units. Now from center O is the center of the circle. From center O, we are drawing OM and ON perpendiculars on the chords. OM is perpendicular on AB and ON is perpendicular on CD. Now perpendicular from center will bisect the chord. So M is the midpoint of AB and N is the midpoint of CD, because the perpendiculars from center will bisect the chords. So chord AB is bisected by OM, so M is the midpoint. Chord CD is bisected by ON, so N is the midpoint. So each half will be half of the total chord, the total length of the chord. So AB is 8 plus 6 14, so each half will be 7. So AM equal to BM equal to 7. CD, the total length is 12 plus 4 16, so each half will be 8. So CN equal to DN equal to 8. So CN equal to 8, DN equal to 8, and AM equal to 7 and BM equal to 7. Now join OA. Now OA is the radius. Joining the center and a point of the circumference, OA is the radius. And we get a right angle triangle OAM. OAM is a right angle triangle. AM equal to 7. The total chord was 14. So half of that, AM equal to 7. Now CD, the total is 16. 12 plus 4, 16. So half of it would be 8. The top half would be 8. And the bottom is 4 given. So the remaining part PN would be 16 minus 8 plus 4. The top is 8, half of the chord CN, and the bottom is 4 given. So the remaining part would be PN. The remaining part would be 16 minus 8 plus 4, that is 4. So in the right angle triangle, we are getting AM equal to 7 and PN, which is equal to OM, equal to 4. So base 7, altitude 4, so hypotenuse OA. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse OA will be given by square root of 7 square plus 4 square, that is square root of 65. So root 65 units, that is the radius. We are taking the right angle triangle, base 7, altitude 4. OM is equal to PN, which is 4. So base 7, altitude 4, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, that is radius OA equal to square root of 7 square plus 4 square or square root of 65. Root 65 units is the required radius of the circle. Now that was step-by-step explanation, step-by-step solution. But we also have a shortcut method. Now since the chords are intersecting at right angles, the segments are 12, 4, 8, 6. 12 and 4, the vertical chord, and 8 and 6, the horizontal chord. The diameter will be given by square root of 12 square plus 4 square plus 8 square plus 6 square. Square root of the sum of the squares of the four segments, which is giving you square root of 260 or 2 root 65. That is diameter 2 root 65. So the radius will be half of that, that is root 65 units. So when the two chords intersect at right angles, the diameter would be given by square root of the sum of the squares of the four segments, and the radius would be half of that. So you can do this by shortcut method in 1 minute. 1 minute solution using the formula, we get the radius equal to 65 units, root 65 units. Root 65 units using the formula, when chords intersect at right angles, the diameter will be square root of the sum of the squares of the lengths of the four segments. So we get radius equal to root 65, 1 minute shortcut solution. That was math challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exams. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world. So students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.